Some intense professional matches to embarrass all of you. From all of us here at 9 People as well as Finance Group, we also extend a beautiful evening. Thank you so much for joining the social game with Dato Sri Khalid as well as. Alright everybody, if you guys are excited for some pickleball together with Dato Sri Khalid and Dato Sri Siti,
we're going to send his team, okay? Okay, 100. Okay, good idea. Okay, we're going to try to fill up as much as possible. My friend being certified. And I think this is a very amazing idea and to raise for people who need. And a competition that I think we should promote and which I think is under promote. So today I have my friends, the pro team from 100. Wait. Oh, the pro team. They just recently represent Malaysia to Shenzhen. Okay, and very good result. They got number 4, number 5 after the 2 countries. Thank you. Who are here and they're going to send a team. How many team? Okay, you answer later to Dato Sri. Okay, and also our host.
Ini ada candlelight dinner ke? Tapi Dato' bawa saya kat sini. Tapi okey lah, nanti juga.